In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to add a user to RADKit. Next. To start, open the RADKit service window and click on Configure RADKit. Select Remote Users, and then click on Add User. This is where you will enter the information of the person you are trying to give access to. For example, let's say you are currently having an issue and are communicating with a TAC engineer. To give them access to remotely troubleshoot the device or devices, you will need to give them access by adding them here. For email, I'll just use a test. However, this is where you would enter the email of the TAC engineer as well as their name. On the right, you can choose how long you wish to give this user access. You can enter a specific time frame by using time slice, or you can select manual and give them access until you turn their access off. For this example, I will select manual and then toggle over to activate this user and then click add and close. You can now see that the user has been added and it is active with access that never expires. When you decide they no longer need access, you can click on the trash can and this will delete the user and their access. That is how to add a user to RADKit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.